All right, we're gonna change this cabin air filter. I do this every 15,000 miles. So what you'll wanna do is empty out the contents of your glove compartment, which I've already done. So then what we're gonna do is just open your glove compartment and you're gonna push in on the sides. Just push in and let it down like this. Now, if we look down in here, you're gonna see this is where your cabin air filter is. You got an arrow that points down, that's pointing down for airflow. On this side, you're gonna have a little finger tab. On this side, you're gonna have a little finger tab. So it's easy with, you can just push those tabs in and then your filter comes out like that. So we're gonna look this over. This one really doesn't look too bad. I had changed this when I bought the vehicle, I guess. And so our airflow is going down. So I'm going to open up. This is a Fram CF10134 Fresh Breeze. I'll put links to all these products in the video description. So what you want to do when you open it is you look for the arrow. So airflow that way, okay? So my airflow is gonna be down. So we want to do the airflow down. We just want to set it in there like that. Just gonna pop it back in there and you're gonna hear it click. Just like that. So I want to grab the sides again like this and push in, and then that's done. So simple as that. You just change your cabin air filter, probably save $40. So hope that's been helpful.